How to delete your Vantage account. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. In this video, we will be learning how you can easily delete your Vantage account if you no longer want to use it anymore. First of all, launch open the Vantage application on your device or your website and sign into your account. Once you're inside this homepage, make sure that you go and withdraw any remaining funds on your account. Transfer all the remaining balance to a bank or payment method and wait until the withdrawal is fully processed. Once it is done, you'll only be able to delete your account now. If you have any open trades, go ahead and close it and ensure your account balance is stable and no positions are running. Once you are made sure of that, from the home page, go to the top left corner and tap on your profile picture. Now click on the gear button at the top right corner from your profile section. Once you do that, it'll open up the settings menu. At the very bottom of the settings menu, you'll see delete account button. Tap on that. Now, type in delete in bold as shown at the top and click on continue at the bottom and your account will be deleted. If you ever want to use the Vantage account again, you'll need to start up and create a new account. So that's how you easily close or delete your Vantage account. It is actually pretty simple once you know the steps. Just make sure that you have no open trades, you don't have any balance on your account before deleting. If you delete it with all of your balances and trades, then you might lose a heavy amount over there. So that's how it's done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.